With me today is Mr. Richard Guth, President and CEO of Guth Laboratories Incorporated. Guth Laboratories is a certified speed timing device testing station recognized in the Pennsylvania Bulletin. Mr. Guth will provide a more in-depth explanation of frequency noise. Hello, Mr. Guth, and welcome.
Good morning, Sergeant Henry.
Mr. Guth, could you please provide your background and experience in radar?
I've been associated with radar since 1966. I attended Penn State University. I am a registered professional engineer in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I'm a life member of the Institute of Electronic and Electrical Engineers. I attended the University of Northern Florida, which certifies me as a radar instructor.
Mr. Guth, could you explain frequency noise and how that might impact or affect a radar unit?
Sergeant Henry, we live in a world and an environment of extraneous noises. We have what we refer to as white noise, we have ignition noise, we have alternator noise, we have noise from fluorescent lamps being electrical noise, we have noise from high tension lines, power line transmission lines. They're extremely noisy.
Is there any method of eliminating frequency noise?
Radar units, when designed, are designed to suppress or overcome extraneous noises emanating from the vehicle, such as ignition noise and alternator noise.
Are there any other factors that might affect the radar unit and the frequency noise that's received by it?
Radar units are designed with a various sensitivity of the receiver. The more sensitive the receiver is, the more selective or more sensitive it is to noise.
Mr. Guth, in the case of our Decatur Genesis handheld model radar unit, which is one of the devices used by our department and the only device determined to be experiencing the frequency noise, could you explain what might cause that noise in that particular radar unit?
When the 2003 Crown Victoria was manufactured, it was necessary to provide the vehicle with a high amperage alternator. This alternator was required because of all the extra accessories that are used in patrol cars today. The noise that we are experiencing is being generated and emanating from the alternator.
Can this low frequency noise be filtered or eliminated?
I'm not aware of any variable frequency filter that would completely eliminate this frequency noise. Attempting to eliminate this noise, there would be degrees of success or not at all.
Mr. Guth, is frequency noise something that can be detected in every radar unit?
No, there are several factors which contribute to the difference in radar units. Basically, the receiver sensitivity, the environment, the terrain, and these are factors which differentiate from one unit to another.
Would the combination of vehicle and radar unit be a determining factor as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you explain the override that exists internally inside the radar unit and how that might affect frequency noise or eliminate it?
The radar unit is designed to work on a basic principle called Doppler. The Doppler principle is related to relative motion. In the GHS radar units, which are used by the Pennsylvania State Police, we have a stationary radar unit with a moving target. When the target is moving, now we have relative motion, which creates a Doppler effect. When the target is within the acquisition range, the Doppler effect overrides and suppresses any extraneous noises.
Mr. Guth, I want to thank you for being with us today and providing us an explanation of frequency noise.
It's been my pleasure, sir.